All eyes will be on the Lok Sabha today as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be replying to the two-day debate on the Constitution in Lok Sabha. As the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi is too expected to lead the lining as far as when it comes to the grand finale is concerned. Day one of the debate that saw fiery speeches from both sides, but the disruptions were minimal. The phase, however, ended when the TMC MP Mahua Moitra made a reference to Judge Loya's death. Now, participating in a debate on 75 years of the Indian Constitution, Moitra made a passing comment but contentious remark on Judge Loya's death while attacking the BJP for allegedly targeting institutions and opposition leaders to silence critical voices.
Honorable Defence Minister in a speech this morning mentioned the courage of the late Justice H.R. Khanna to dissent in 1976. May I remind everyone that Justice Khanna lived for 32 years after 1976 under a largely Congress regime, long enough to write his autobiography, which the minister quoted from. Unlike poor Justice Loya, who's resting in peace long before his time.
Now, Justice Loya had died in 2014 and the circumstances of his death were examined and settled by the Supreme Court. The remarks created a massive uproar leading to two adjournments and ended in Union Minister Kiran Rijiju warning Mamata's MP of appropriate parliamentary action.
मैं सदन को इन्फॉर्म करना चाहता हूं इस पे कार्रवाई होगा और हम लोग की तरफ से एप्रोप्रिएट पार्लियामेंट्री एक्शन लिया जाएगा। इस तरह का टिप्पणी आप बच नहीं सकते हैं, आप बच नहीं सकते हैं, ऐसे टिप्पणी करके बच नहीं सकते हैं। इस पे कार्रवाई होगा। ये बहुत गलत परंपरा साबित कर रही है वो।
Now, later in a post on X, Moitra said, and I quote, "All those reporting that Parliamentary Affairs Minister warned me, it is he who will face action for threatening me. His remarks to be deleted, not mine." Here's what the Congress party meanwhile had to say on the issue.
चीजों को जानबूझ के जिसे कहा जाए कि बहुत आर्टिफिशियल तरीके से उसे प्रेजेंट करने का प्रयास किया गया, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं थी। लेकिन जिस प्रकार वहां पे सत्ता पक्ष के लोगों ने उसे कहा कि नहीं महुआ मोइत्रा जी ने इन बातों का, जबकि वो कही नहीं थी, ऐसा कोई आशय नहीं था। लेकिन मैंने कहा कि जानबूझ के जहां भी अगर लगेगा सत्ता पक्ष के बारे उन्हें लगता उनके अनुकूल चीजें नहीं आ रही तो इस प्रकार हाउस को, सदन को बाधित करते हैं। और इसलिए हमने कहा कि आज भले संविधान बचाने के बारे चर्चा की बातें आई, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं लगा कि उनके आचरण में कहीं से भी ऐसा लग रहा था लोकतंत्र संविधान के प्रति वो गंभीर हैं।
All right, all of that was taking place in the Lok Sabha yesterday. We have Nyamika joining us live. Nyamika, good morning. Today too is expected to be, of course, as a session is happening on a rare Saturday that we are looking at when it comes to the second day of the debate that would be led on part of the both Congress and the BJP, with both Rahul Gandhi and Prime Minister expected to speak.
Well, indeed, it is going to be a very important day for the winter session of Parliament, as today Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to speak about the Constitution. But the Congress party's strategy is to make sure that Rahul Gandhi speaks just ahead of the address of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Lok Sabha. And for that reason, now we have seen that yesterday also how the Congress party had prepared a strategy, as yesterday it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who had made her maiden speech within the Lok Sabha, in which she had targeted the government of India, the ruling BJP in particular, stating that it is the Bharat ka Samvidhan, not a Sangh ka Vidhan. So that was a message which she and the Congress party wants to give to the BJP, as we have seen that how they have been quite critical over this entire matter, even during the election time also. The Congress party has been continuously attacking the BJP, as they have been alleging that the intention of the BJP is to change the constitution, and that is what is being retaliated on the part of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well yesterday, as she has mentioned that if the BJP had got more than these 240 seats, then they would have changed the constitution, as it is basically protection of the rights of the citizens of this country. As she has also taken a dig over the Prime Minister as well as the BJP government in particular, stating that on one side Prime Minister Narendra Modi touched the constitution book over on his forehead, but on the other side he has no worry about whatever has happened in Sambal or in Manipur, or the atrocities which are happening against the women all across the country. So that was the kind of attack which is coming in on the part of the opposition in particular against the BJP. And today also we will be seeing that how Rahul Gandhi is going to make a speech within Lok Sabha, as the Congress party is basically focusing upon the Prime Minister's address, and for that matter they are making also a plan that who all are going to speak today, as Rahul Gandhi in particular will speak just ahead of Prime Minister's address in the Parliament.